Sometimes you just know it when you find yourself in the place you always hope for. It's all at your feet. There's no use waiting. All the words and all the plans that we've been saving, gotta let them breathe. So we'll take hold of what is waiting for us now. This is the beginning. This is just the start. Where beauty meets the mystery. I'll take every part. If this is the beginning.
Morning. Very early. We're up early to let the dogs get one last walk. 7:30. We're up to let the dogs get one last wee walk on Luscantire, then we're off to see the eagles. Eagle Observatory, Tarburg for a shower, a bottle of Harris gin, and they two are just at it this morning. And that's it. Ferry over to Uist after that. Ooh, it's stunning. It's a bit chilly. Xander, this way. So we'll get back to you when we don't see any eagles.
Nice man. You'll get a big thumbs up. Aye, it's pretty nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
The road that we didn't want to do, we went to the pond.
Yeah, why did go to House of this beach because of this?
Oh, he's away in.
It's a bit of a narrow one, this, eh?
Oh. Wait, he's just going.
Is this wee road so busy?
I don't know, I thought we were going to be alright because it was so early, eh?
What time is it?
8:30, not even 8:30 yet.
Feel the world turn into a brand new day. Watch the rising of the sun. The shadows start to run. Standing at the start of something great. See the hope that lines the sky, and we'll let it be our guide. I won't close my eyes. If we hold on tight, we'll keep going till we reach new heights. Going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good. We won't let go. We'll keep pushing through the highs and lows. Going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something, on to something.
So we are on a rock to see the eagles. 1.5 miles, 15-20 minutes. But this is what we're walking through. Walking through the hills. Dogs are on leads because there's deer.
9 o'clock, by the way.
So Shannon's saying it's not even 9 o'clock. But we wanted to get here early and get it ticked off because we've got the ferry at 3:45. But we do need to get showers and all that as well, so early start this morning to make sure that we've got enough time to get
Just want to
clean.
make sure we did this, really, isn't it?
Aye.
Like we are kind of people to do.
I was tempted to just switch the alarm off this morning and stay in bed.
There was a few things that we wanted to do, and this was one, the stones was one, and the black house, and we already missed the black house, so.
So we're about 15-20 minutes into this walk and we've not seen it yet. It's just a path like this. It's a really nice easy path actually, no hills. Don't get me wrong, I'm feeling quite tired, but that's just because we're lazy git skating and do no exercise. So this is obviously where the eagles are. Aye, well it's pointing down that way and that's the open bit. North Harris Eagle Observatory. And here it is. Well, no eagles. We heard a cuckoo, but no eagles. But it was a nice wee walk, and the dogs have been behaving. We've actually been walking quite good. She's not the now because Sharon's away ahead, so she's pulling to get them. But let's look. Nope. Nothing. Sharon was saying, this is not the best time of year to come spotting these because one of them is on the nest for like 45 days over summer. So there's only one ever out at a time.
Autumn's the best time, I think.
Yeah, so if you want to come, autumn is the best time. The baby eagles are getting ready to fledge. So they're out training them how to
They're still
cope.
dependent on the adults and they're training them how to fly.
So you see deer and everything along here as well. We're not seeing really anything today though. But it was nice just to get out, a nice wee morning walk.
That's kind of fun. Were they here and we were in a different wrong way?
No, kind of right way. This was on here. The cows weren't in here. Oh, it was all muddy as well the day just coming high about here, to be honest.
Alright with this one. There's no fun moving anyway, yeah. There's a big bull, man. Big baby. Glad I was filming that. Well, you're just a bit off this road, aren't you?
You will probably see me with a fag in my hand after every ferry journey because they are the most stressful things ever. And that wasn't even that bad a ferry journey.
No, they're actually.
They've just got us at our tolerance level now, man.
I mean, it was constant, that noise.
Aye.
For the whole hour and a bit for Buffy, a few big barks, but I can handle that noise more I can handle a screechy bark, you know what I mean? And the screechy bark only appeared a few times, which was good.
Continue straight. In 200 yards, turn left onto Barra Causeway. All I know, somehow we'll see this through. Every second that it takes is a sign we're on the way. Way to the rhythm of the moment that we're making. The silver lining we'll find is worth the waiting. I think we're onto something good. If we hold on tight, we'll keep going till we reach new heights. Going further than we ever thought we could. We're onto something good. We won't let go. We'll keep pushing through the highs and lows. Going further than we ever thought we could. We're onto something good.
Looking over, I'm not sure what the bit of sand's called. We're at Grenitote, probably know how you pronounce it. But I'm looking over at the hills of Harris.
Probably got our number one beach we're going to go
And we're going to go to, if you see over there, the climb up over the dunes, then you get to the nicest beach in Uist. That was our most wow beach last year. I hope this is picking up how turquoise that water is, by the way, because it's absolutely stunning. So up over this dune is our favourite beach. This was our biggest wow moment for last year. We got up the top of these dunes and the beach over here is stunning. But it looks a wee bit cloudy, so we're going to see if we get the same wow moment. And you can come with us. Well, I might want a dog back to come up this hill. This is the only time the dogs don't pull you when you want them to. Oh, this is quite extreme. Is it? No, it's alright, but it's not as well as it was that very first time.
I think tide was looking further out the last time you said tide right in. Did we go along that one or go along the other one?
Go along this one because there's another one at the other side of this.
Is it?
Aye. Yep.
Flying over a cliff here.
That's mad. That's pretty cool, eh? This way, guys. Here's my canoe. Here's my canoe.
What's Xander doing? Xander digging?
So I was just speaking to the wee guys there, and they've been all over the place in this plane. So they've just flew to Oban, but they were at Orkney before that. And they're just out on a holiday, flying about the place. That's the life I want to live. God, this is closer than we'll ever get to the Barra plains. Aye. Oh, they're coming this way. Maybe. So I'm taking some time to get some peace and quiet by volunteering to walk an hour and a bit to go to the shop and back. We were just going to take the van, but Our wee car park place is filling up. And we don't want to run the risk of not getting our spot again. So I'm also wondering if I should just try and hitch a lift to this co-op. Wow, where'd you see this, man? Wow, is that just no stunning? I've not walked very far, by the way. Still walking. It's actually not been too bad though. It's telling me I've got 8 minutes till I'm at it. And you can see it's not great, but there's like no way we could have walked this with the dogs. But I've only had 3 cars pass me, so it's fine. There it's there, guys. So we'll be there any minute. That was really not that bad, by the way. Glad I decided to do that rather than risk moving the van and losing the perfect spot that we've got. Shopping done. I was in there a wee bit longer than I thought I would be because I was just blathering. So I did tell Sharon, don't panic until I'm an hour and 20 minutes. If I'm not back in an hour and 20 minutes, panic. I've probably been in there 20 minutes talking, so. But I'll get back to you when I'm back at the van, and I'm probably going to be hanging at my arse because it's all uphill now.